Zug's old town in summer, a timeless setting where wooden shutters open onto sun-drenched alleyways. Here, everything slows down. The breeze slips between the façades. Silence settles at café tables, and footsteps echo softly over centuries-old cobblestones. This old town, the Zuger Altstadt, is one of the oldest in central Switzerland. Over 800 years of history live in its walls. The Zytturm, or clock tower, has stood since the 13th century, watching over arcades and stone streets with quiet dignity. Every corner breathes authenticity. Every façade tells a story. Laughter drifts gently through the alleyways. Glasses clink joyfully beneath the golden evening light. Even in the height of summer, you'll find romantic, almost hidden terraces here in Zug. Quiet pockets of joy, far from the crowd. A rare privilege only a place like Zug can still offer. In Zug, summer doesn't shout. It whispers in the lake's soft ripples and locals' quiet laughter. In the cool shade beneath the arcades. Some towns you pass through, and then there's Zug, a place where you stay just a little longer to taste that rare peace that gently mends the soul.